Stewie, did you do this?
Jeez, Brian, don't just come barging in here like that. I thought you were campus security.
I want to know who wrote Renob on my chest while I was sleeping.
Renob? Brian, you read that in the mirror. It's Boner.
What?
Hey, Stewie, Gee. I reviewed your party application, and everything looks to be in order, so you're good to go.
Whoa, wait a minute. Party?
And it'll be loaded with chicks thanks to Guy.
Stewie, you've taken this mini fridge thing too far. I'm moving this thing out of here.
Oh, be careful, Bri. Not a good idea. You don't want to piss off Guy. Yesterday he crow-hopped a dip tin and knocked a guy out.
Oh, wow. Did he really? Well, now I'm so very scared of Guy. Ah! Are you drunk?
Nah, I just spun around a few times.
Stewie, you were supposed to be in bed at 7:50.
Come on, Brian, this could be the greatest night of our lives, but you're all, Stewie's too little to have a mini fridge. What happened to the Brian I used to know?
You know what? You're right.
Is Stewie still sleeping?
Probably. He was up pretty late last night. I'll go check on him. Stewie, you up? That was some... I told you you were too little to have a fridge in your room! Oh, God!